This recipe takes about 45 minutes of active prep time, plus soaking and cooking, and serves 4 to 6 people. Get ready to indulge in crispy, golden Revithokeftedes, Greek chickpea fritters bursting with fresh herbs, fragrant cumin, and bright lemon zest. Fried to perfection in rich olive oil and paired with a tangy yogurt lemon dip, these fritters offer a delightful crunch outside and tender, flavorful inside that will have everyone asking for more. Let's now check the ingredients. 1½ cups, 300 grams, dried chickpeas, soaked overnight, or 2 by 15 ounce cans, chickpeas well drained and patted dry. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, optional, for soaking dried chickpeas. 1 medium yellow onion, grated and well squeezed dry. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1/2 cup, chopped fresh parsley. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh dill. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh mint. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon lightly crushed fennel seeds. Optional, but traditional. 1 teaspoon finely grated lemon zest. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 6 to 8 tablespoons chickpea flour, or all-purpose flour, as needed for binding. 1¼ teaspoons fine sea salt, plus more to finish. 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1½ cups extra virgin olive oil, or enough to reach 1/2 inch depth for frying. For the dip, 1 cup Greek yogurt. For the dip, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. For the dip, 1 small garlic clove, finely grated. For the dip, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. For the dip, pinch of salt. Lemon wedges. For serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. If using dried chickpeas, rinse and soak them overnight in plenty of water. Add baking soda if using. Drain and rinse. If using canned chickpeas, drain very well and pat dry. Cook dried chickpeas in a pot of fresh water at a gentle simmer until very tender, 45 to 60 minutes. Drain well and let steam dry and cool. If using canned chickpeas, skip to step 3. Make the yogurt lemon dip. In a bowl, whisk the yogurt, lemon juice, grated garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Cover and chill until serving. Prep aromatics. Grate the onion and squeeze out excess liquid. Finely chop the parsley, dill, and mint. Finely grate the lemon zest. Lightly crush fennel seeds if using. Mash the chickpeas in a large bowl with a potato masher to a coarse mash, about 75% crushed. Alternatively, pulse in a food processor in short bursts. Do not puree completely. Add onion, garlic, parsley, dill, mint, cumin, fennel seeds, if using, lemon zest, baking powder, 6 tablespoons flour, salt, and pepper. Mix until the mixture holds together when pressed. Add up to 2 more tablespoons flour if wet. Rest 15 to 20 minutes. With damp hands, shape the mixture into walnut-sized balls or small patties, about 1½ inches wide. Set on a parchment-lined tray. Heat olive oil in a wide skillet over medium to medium-high heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit / 175 degrees Celsius, or until a breadcrumb sizzles on contact. Fry fritters in batches without crowding, 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning once, until deep golden and crisp. Adjust heat as needed. Transfer to a rack or paper towels, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Serve hot with the chilled yogurt lemon dip and lemon wedges for squeezing. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.